Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Addicted to the way that you want you. I wanna beg for your body on you. You know how I want you. You're just how I like.
So, bigo ako, nag-renew na lang ako ng perks card ko kasi bago yung picture. Pero hats off sa mga nag-camp out kasi I can never. Hello, kamusta ka? Ano oras kayo dito?
7 p.m.
7?
Ako, 1:30 a.m.
Oh my
10 p.m.
gosh!
Si Pablo.
Bakit?
Pablo. Kasi
Hindi ko alam! Na-pressure!
Pogi si Pablo. Saka matalino. Saka matalino. Josh. Napaka-genuine niya.
Oh.
Pablo. Ano, Pogi.
Favorite feature kay Josh?
Ako. Mamon. Hotdog. Hotdog yung favorite niya.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat sa pangalan ng Panginoon. At sa araw nito, we'll be witnessing the marriage and the vows between this couple. At sa araw nito, nais ko pong sabihin sa lahat ng mga parents, principal sponsors, secondary sponsors, relatives, guests, and to all of you. Today, we are gathered together in this place in the presence of God and every one of you to witness the union of this man and woman who have decided to join themselves together in this holy matrimony.
Filipino talent is no longer waiting to be invited. We are building our own stage. Sariling atin, para sa atin, gawang Pinoy. And on July 1 mga Caps, malalaman natin kung gaano kalaki itong bagong project na to. What's up 18? So ito na nga mga Caps. Nakita nyo ba yung dinrap na teaser ng SB19 last Independence Day? Honestly mga Caps, this is not giving random announcement. This feels intentional talaga. Yung caption, sabi doon, abangan ang bagong atin. And then the date, July 1, 2026. And that phrase alone, mga Caps, already says a lot. So, disclaimer muna mga Caps, this is just my theory and my personal analysis. Wala pa tayong confirmed details. Pero, knowing SB19 and 1Z, hindi sila basta-basta maglalagay ng visuals, ng words, yung timing, and symbolism ng walang reason. Let's start mga Caps sa teaser photo itself. The whole image is dark, smoky, and almost cinematic. Parang may fog, diba? May mystery. May build-up. It does not look like a simple comeback poster. It feels like an announcement of something bigger, mga Caps. Something that is about to emerge. And then mga Caps, we have the text. May bagong atin. That word is powerful because it means shared ownership. It includes SB19, 18, Filipino artists, and maybe the whole Filipino music community. If you'll notice din mga Caps, the typography is bold, futuristic, and glowing. Parang may spotlight effect eh. Like something is being revealed from the dark. For me, that could symbolize Filipino talent stepping into a bigger stage. And then yung date mga Caps, 7/1/26. Yung ginamit na separators ng numbers look like a small sunbursts or stars. Since they posted this around Independence Day, the visual choice feels very intentional mga Caps. Yung sunburst mga Caps can easily remind us of the Philippine flag's sun. Freedom, identity, and national pride. And mga Caps, this is where it gets deeper. Dropping this teaser on Independence Day is not just for hype. Independence Day is about freedom, ownership, and identity. So when SB19 says, bagong atin, it can mean something that is sariling atin, Filipino-made, Filipino-owned, or Filipino-produced. And that hits harder. Kasi mga Caps, SB19 is now self-managed, diba? Under 1Z Entertainment. And they are known for being hands-on in their music and creative process. Bagong atin sounds like a movement. It sounds like a platform. It sounds like a something that can gather people. Imagine mga Caps, a music festival that is not just about SB19 performing, but about celebrating OPM, P-pop, Filipino creatives, local production, local stage design, local culture, and Filipino excellence. Tayo ang may gawa, tayo yung may direction, tayo yung may stage. Kung mapapansin nyo mga Caps, yung smoke sa teaser, it can represent uncertainty rin. Yung phase before something big is going to happen or revealed. Yung darkness can represent the space before the spotlight. And the glowing text, that feels like a declaration. May paparating. And it belongs to us, mga Caps. Also, the phrase, bagong atin, can be read in two ways din, mga Caps. Una, may bagong project para sa 18. Pwede rin second, may bagong movement na sariling atin. And for me personally, the second one feels stronger. Alam nyo naman yan mga Caps, SB19 has always carried Filipino identity from their work. From music, visuals, wordplay, and storytelling. And even the way they represent P-pop internationally. They are not just creating songs. They are creating cultural moments. So kung totoo nga na it is a 1Z produced festival or a Filipino-centered platform, it fits their direction mga Caps, diba? So, sa theory ko, this is not just an announcement. This could be SB19 and 1Z opening a new chapter. Pero kung ano man yan, the message feels clear. Filipino talent is no longer waiting to be invited. We are building our own stage. Sariling atin, para sa atin, gawang Pinoy. And on July 1 mga Kaps, malalaman natin kung gaano kalaki itong bagong project na to. So yun lang mga Kaps, bye-bye!
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.